Hi there, today we're checking out the RHINO RESCUE 371 pieces OSHA all-purpose first aid kit, perfect for home and office emergencies. This kit includes 371 premium supplies like bandages, gauzes, burn gel packets, instant cold packs, tapes, and gloves. Its multi-compartment box with tilting shelves and a transparent lid helps you organize and quickly find what you need. You can hang the kit on the wall for easy access during urgent situations. It's designed to stop bleeding and reduce pain from minor cuts, scrapes, and burns efficiently. Plus, it comes with soap wipes and cotton swabs to clean wounds promptly and safely. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry wherever you go, providing peace of mind for your family's safety. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.